This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Sari Hernandez. Must see this well-maintained 2 bedrooms 2 baths condo. This charming home offers tiled floors throughout for easy maintenance, ceiling fans, a walk-in closet, and a fireplace. Super clean and in great condition. Close major highways I-275/I-75/I-4 to USF, restaurants, shopping strips, entertainment, and more. Perfect for investors or owner-occupant. Make your showing appointment today. For more information, review the details below.